Okay. Okay, you guys. So he is going to stick his pinky finger in the hot sauce, proof hot sauce, and stick it up his nose. Reaction? Let's find out.
You ready, Brandon?
Show them that you have the hot sauce on your finger.
It's in there. It's on my finger. It's on my finger.
All right.
Now. And that is
This is funny as hell.
Dude, I seriously can smell it. His nose.
I hope you know he just stuck. He stuck hot sauce in his eye.
No, the eye burn.